This is crazy. I was not expecting to find these off-white sneakers at the Nike outlet. Like, what the heck? What's going on, guys? It's your boy Christian here, back at you for Sneaker Talk for part 2 of this vlog. Now, part 1 we went to the Adidas outlet, Champs, Winners, and I think the Vans outlet as well. So for part 2, we're gonna stop by Foot Locker and the Nordstrom Rack store, and of course Nike outlet. So with that said, let's get going. So for the very first store of today's outlet vlog, we have Foot Locker. Now this is not an outlet, this is a regular Foot Locker. Let's go inside and see what they have. So here is a look at the Nike selection at Foot Locker, and a lot of stuff is on sale too, which is cool to see. Solid discount right here on the size 13 Air Max 1 from the Just Do It pack collection. I really mess with these. I have the Air Force Ones, as I mentioned earlier. First solid find of today, 25% off these Air Max 1s from the Just Do It pack. I like these a lot. They also have the Air Max 1 OG that just restocked as well. They have this new grape colorway of the Air Max 90 going for $145 Canadian. Here is a look at the Adidas selection as well. A lot of discounts over here. I know they just dropped the new red colorway of the Continental 80, so that's worth checking out. They have these on sale. The triple white, I think 2.0s with the silver or 3M kind of accents on the permanent upper. $200. Mess with these a lot. So they also had the silver metal pack at the Champ Sports for $200. Here's a look at the Vans selection. Check it out. They have the deconstructed Vans still available. These are going for $115 Canadian. Really like these. You're gonna have to buy these or the black pair very soon. Let me know which pair you guys think I should get, but this is a look at the white pair with that off-white inspiration. And then here is the black pair. So yeah, I'm torn. I like them both. I mess with them a lot. Which one should I buy? We'll find out soon enough. This is a pretty cool colorway of the Vans Skate High also. It's like this red with the navy blue on the toe box, and then you have the checkerboard print on the back with blue on the inside panels. This is new, a new colorway of the Puma RSOs in this gray and black colorway, $130 Canadian at retail price. They also got some of the Pepsi collabs, so they got the Pepsi Puma Suedes in the blue colorway, and then they also have the black with blue. I like this one a lot actually. This is pretty fresh. And a really dope colorway at the Puma RSX. I don't know the name of this one in particular, but really fire, and this is a really good spring color scheme right here. So Foot Locker didn't have as much heat as I would like them to have, but we have the Nike outlet and Nordstrom Rack coming up next, and Nike outlet is right behind me, right there, and right beside it is the Nordstrom Rack. So let's go inside and see what they have here. Some Nordstrom Rack locations carry a lot of Vans, but it looks like here they have a lot of dress shoes. I mean, that's to be expected given the kind of clientele that shops here. But they do have a couple of random like Adidas running shoes here too, so I'll show you guys some of the best stuff they have here. They have like this weird gray olive colorway of the Adidas POD 3.1s, and these are going for $90 down from $140. We have some NMD R1 STL TPKs for $145. I think that's even more expensive than the Adidas outlet in the same exact mall. So they have the green colorway. They also have this purple pink kind of colorway for $145 as well. Not really a fan of these. We got some black Adidas Campus here for $45, size 8.5. This might be the best find at Nordstrom Rack, honestly. Found some funky Vans right here for $45 with the black and the yellow mustard, like checkered print all over. Not a fan of these. Sort of remind me of like bowling shoes for some reason. We got some Adidas and Nike runners for $105. Not really a fan of this colorway. See, this is the kind of colorway that looks like it was like a white at one point and then someone just peed all over it. It looks like yellow snow. Like this is the yellow snow or junior chicken or McChicken colorway of the Adidas and Nike runner. Gonna have to pass on these. And the final sneaker at Nordstrom Rack I got for you guys are the Adidas two-wheeler Doom PKs going for $100 Canadian in this Oreo colorway. Probably one of the better colorways, and I remember when the tubular Dooms and the tubulars actually had some hype. Apparently the tubular runners were at one point rumored to be the Kanye West Yeezys, but that ended up being just a rumor and not an actual fact. But yeah, that's it for our time here. Let's get going over to the Nike outlet, and of course if you guys haven't yet entered the Yeezy giveaway, make sure you enter it. We're giving away a size 10 pair of the Sesame Yeezy Boost 350, and all you have to do to enter, subscribe to the channel, hit that red button down below, comment down below your favorite sneaker you guys see in today's video, and of course smash that thumbs up button. Now let's get going to the Nike outlet. All right, now for the moment we've been waiting for, the Nike outlet. That's the Nike factory store at Vaughan Mills. Let's check it out. Alright, so for this Nike outlet vlog, it's looking pretty good. All the hash wall is an extra 30% off, and looking at the shelves, there's a lot of Jordans here. I see some nice retro Jordans. So we're gonna start off with the shelves, and then we're gonna go digging through the hash wall, looking for some hidden gems with that nice 30% off discount. So yeah, with that said, let's get looking at the shelves. A Kyrie sneaker I definitely mess with. They got the Kyrie fly traps for $85, down from $105. We got some EXP 14s going for $115, down from $165. They also got the Air Zoom Spiridian 16 quick strikes, that international flare with this massive tag that comes with it, which is pretty cool. And then you have all the flags of all the nations across the, on top of the midsole actually, with a holographic swoosh. I like these. Got some Nike Huaraches here, $100. Pretty clean colorway for the spring. We got pink, we got blue, and we got some white going on. And guys, for this shoe, always make sure you go up half a size because these fit super narrow and tight. They got the Just Do It pack EXP 14s. Just do it print on the side, $100, down from $175. They also got some more EXP 14s. They got the black colorway here too. We also have this gray one for $100. We also got some Just Do It Air Max 1 Premiums for $120 with that all over Just Do It print. Not too crazy about these, but I know this is probably one of the best from the Just Do It collection. Got some Air Max 90 boots for $130. Not too impressed with these. Ooh, some Air Max 95 Essentials. Now this is a colorway I mess with. I don't like the 95s that often. I like the Carhartt collab, but $150 for this simple colorway of the Air Max 95s. I mess with these a lot. First time seeing the Air Max 97 Plus at the outlets, down from $235. They're now going for $170 in this white and navy blue colorway. They also have, ooh, these are nice. These are really nice. $169.99 for these as well. I like this colorway more than that other one. So this is fire, man. This is straight fire. Got some Air Max 270s for $140. Don't see them for that cheap often at the outlets. They're usually retail price with like 30 off, but $140 for this colorway, pretty solid. And they also have a neon yellow colorway. So if you're looking for that shoe for the gym and you want something that's loud and pops, they got the neon yellow for you right here. Pretty solid price point on these Air Max 2017s for $120, down from $260. That's more than half price. That's some solid savings right there. This is like a Nike outlet essential. Like every Nike outlet has to have Flyknit trainers or else it's not really a Nike outlet. So they got two colorways, $110 each. We got the black colorway, we got the red, which is probably my personal favorite out of all of them. We also got the South Beach Air Jordan 8s for $215, down from $255. One of my favorite Air Jordan 8s, honestly. Really like the Miami Vice vibes, and they have a lot of sizes available too, so if you were looking for them on sale, this is the outlet to check out. These are new to the outlets. We got these Air Jordan 10s. I don't know the exact name for these ones, not really a fan of this. This is like a colorway you'd usually see on kid size sneakers for Jordan 10s, but they brought it out in men's sizing. These are going for $215, down from $255. Pretty cool. We got some Air Jordan Future Premiums for $169.99, down from $245. Not used to seeing this kind of color scheme on the shoe. I'm used to seeing like the predominantly one-tone uppers like this blue. This is what I'm more used to seeing, or the red, but the camo colors, that's pretty cool. It's different. It's different. All right, so that's it for the sneakers on the shelves. Now let's take a look at the hash wall and see what we can find for an extra 30% off. We got some Nike EXP 14s in this very simple black and white colorway. I mess with these a lot, very clean. These are going for $120 with an extra 30% off. These are size 8. Some good savings on these. Into the size 9.5 section now. We got some pretty cool monochrome Air Max 1s, all gray out. Nike Air on the back. Mess with these. How much are these going for? These are going for $100 with an extra 30% off. So that's $70 Canadian for the all gray Nike Air Max 1 Premium. Got a pretty dope colorway of the Nike Zoom Flies for $130 with an extra 30% off. Size 10. I like these a lot. This is a pretty good find. $85 with an extra 30% off for these right here. We got some, I think, Vandal High Supremes. All red, like a satin upper. Really luxurious kind of look to them. There's a weird stain on them, so you could probably get an extra discount if you really brought that up to the cashier. But pretty solid find. $85, extra 30% off. The Vandal High Supremes. And they have quite a bit of sizing available, so I'm seeing quite a few of these all over the shelves here on the hash wall. And my, oh my, what do we have here? Size 11 Air Force 1 Low Wheat colorway. I like these a lot. I have the mid tops from, I think, the year the Slam Dunk 6s came out. These are going for $120 with an extra 30% off. A really good price on these. Moving on to the big feet sizes, size 13. We got some Nike Air Max 1s for $70 after the discount. It's a white and gray upper with the gum sole, really clean. That's a steal. $70 for these. How do you turn that down? One funny thing I see a lot at Nike outlets are people shopping for their family and friends while they're like FaceTiming them. If you've ever done like FaceTime shopping before, let me know in the comment section down below. Are you usually the person at home who's on FaceTime, or are you the person in the store that's on FaceTime? Ooh, these might be one of my favorite sneakers of the day. We got some Air Force One lows in this gray colorway with the white outline on the swoosh. Really clean Air Force Ones, and these are going for $100 with an extra 30% off, so $70 Canadian for these. I mess with these. I remember seeing these a lot at Full Lockers and Champs, so for 70 bucks, that's like half price. Pretty solid. This is crazy. I was not expecting to find these off-white sneakers at the Nike outlet. Like, what? What the heck? We have the off-white inspired Nike Cortez. And let me sit down and just show you guys these up close. Actually, these are the Nike Cortez off-white inspired shoe. We got the swooshes all over, we got the extra branding all over, the trademark for no reason, just massively there on the back of the shoe. Sportswear, Nike, and these are on sale actually. These are on sale for $99.97 with an extra 30% off, down from that $140. And not one, but they also have two pairs of these off-white Nike Cortez. We got some really loud size 9.5 Air Max 95s from the Just Do It pack on sale as well. More off-white inspired sneakers. There's so many off-white inspired sneakers here today at the outlets, so I like these a lot. Orange all over with the white midsole. So that's it for all of the men's size sneakers. Now we're gonna check out the women's section, which have some pretty good stuff today. I'm looking at some pretty good stuff, honestly. So let's check it out and I'll show you guys what they got. These are pretty cool too. I know Tim in Texas has these, the Air Jordan 4 red with the gum bottoms. He bought those at Full Locker. These are on sale for $215 Canadian. And then they have these cool Air Max 95s for $150 with an extra 30% off. So $100 Canadian for these Air Max 95s. I mess with it. I mess with it. And these right here might be my favorite Jordan retro find of the day. The woman's Air Jordan 12 retro, regularly priced at $255, now $214.99. I love the way the shoe's cream suede looks like. We also, not really cream, it's more of like a beige, and then we have the golden accents on the side. I wish they were metal, they're actually plastic. And then in terms of sizing, it goes all the way down or all the way up to a size 11. That's a size 9.5 men's. So if you're a guy who has a foot around that size, they have you covered for like 8.5, 9.5. They got you, man. That's pretty lit. So it looks like they have some Jordans that are 30% off. So we got these like woolly mammoth. There's like fur all over this Air Jordan, but they got these for $95 with an extra 30% off. Air Jordan 1s for women's, and then they also have the shadow or dark shadow 10s for $140 with an extra 30% off. I actually had a giveaway prize winner in Croatia win these from me, so those are on the way right now. And dude, shipping was expensive to Croatia. I had to ship it without the box, but you know, we got to stay true to the giveaways. So Jordan 10s dark shadow, $140, 30% off, not too bad. And also we have the Air Jordan 14s right here for an extra 30% off, regularly priced at $165, now going for $140 with that extra 30 off discount too. That's gonna wrap up today's Nike outlet vlog. If you guys haven't yet entered the Yeezy giveaway for March, to enter all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel, hit that red button down below, subscribe to my second channel, SneakerTalk 365. I'll leave that linked down below too. Thumbs up the video and comment your favorite sneaker you saw in today's vlog. That's not these Yeezys right here. Follow me on Instagram, it's @SneakerTalkCA. I'll have the outlet playlist on the outro if you guys want to see more outlet vlogs, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have an awesome week. Peace out.